Louisville's Coalition for the Homeless released a new ambitious plan today to end homelessness across the metro. It's calling for more funding for shelters, affordable housing, medical centers, and eviction prevention. WHS 11 team's Bobby McSwine and photojournalist Ian Hardwitt talked with a member of the coalition board. And Bobby, this plan has been in the works several months now.
Yes, this plan stems from a report from the Coalition of the Homeless released last April, which found that between 2018 and 2021, there was a 41% increase in the number of people experiencing homelessness.
Another homeless encampment in Louisville brings another complaint from a resident. They wrote in to WHAS describing a mess along Bardstown Road, right off the Watterson Expressway exit. They're calling it a health hazard. Scenes like this that the city will eventually clear are why housing advocates push for more options for those living on the streets.
Keeping people housed makes our city better. It creates more opportunity.
Shamika Parrish-Wright, executive director of Vocal KY, is proud to now serve on the board for the Coalition for the Homeless, which just released a four-pronged plan to end homelessness.
Housing is a human right.
Step 1, create 375 more daily shelter options to fill the gap between the number of beds available now and the number of people sleeping on the streets daily.
You cannot start to deal with your homeless population or your homeless issues if you don't have places where people can go and be safe.
Step 2, fund affordable housing by establishing a revenue stream of $187.5 million every year for the next 8 years.
Many landowners and many landlords are struggling to keep their units filled. I'm in the Hayburn and it's more than half empty.
Step 3, fund 45 medical respite beds for newly discharged unhoused patients.
And a lot of people who are homeless or don't have a place to go end up going back to the emergency room because they get sick, they get re-injured, their wound may become infected.
Lastly, dedicate at least $16 million annually for eviction prevention.
If we don't fund this, if we don't make sure it has the resources it needs, our homeless population is going to double.
And on that last point, last week, Mayor Craig Greenberg announced he would introduce a new program that will get eviction prevention funding directly into the hands of those who need it most.